Today is a very special and exciting day. We are about to begin our journey to one of the most beautiful and valuable natural treasures in Sri Lanka. It is the Singharaja rainforest. Now we have arrived at the Kalawana-Vettagala junction. From here it is 6.5 km to Singharaja. So if we start from here, there are many beautiful places we can see. Also we have to go to Singharaja through a very cold and refreshing environment.
This is the where we have to enter the Singharaja forest. Maybe there are three places where we can enter the Singharaja rainforest. That is Kalawana Kudava, Neduva, Langagama, Dunyaya Pitagama. You can enter from any of these three locations. So today we will enter from the Kalawana Kudava main entrance.
Now we have entered inside. First we need to get ticket from the office and then we need to go inside with that. So the price of one ticket is 120 rupees. So we also bought the tickets first and now we are going to go inside. Now we are on our way in. As you all know, Singharaja is a World Heritage Resource. So while we are going, I thought of giving you a short introduction about Singharaja. We are just about to enter the forest and honestly, you can already feel the fresh air and hear the sound of nature all around. So what you can see now is a plant species called Bandura. Singharaja rainforest is located in the southwest part of the country and it is known as a very important natural place. Singharaja is the last large tropical rainforest in Sri Lanka. Because of this, it is protected by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. In the Singharaja rainforest, we can see many kinds of plants, animals and birds. First, we came to the Mulavalla viewpoint. So now we are in here. The climb here is challenging and offers opportunities to see wildlife and plant species. Therefore, it is essential to travel with an experienced guide when traveling. When we reach the top of this rock, we can see a beautiful viewpoint. Mulavalla is one of the 5 main and highest peaks in Singharaja. The distance to reach the Mulavalla viewpoint is 2 km and you can travel up to a height of 768 meters. Mulavalla is famous among tourists for the possibility of getting lost while hiking and can see beauty of the dense forest. find the Navada tree. So let's go and see it. This is the Navada tree. The special characteristic of the Navada tree is that it has a strength and extremely tall trunk. Not only that, it has a high biodiversity. Therefore, this tree can be described as a proud symbol of the Singharaja Forest Reserve.
මේ ගහ නවදුන් විද්‍යාත්මක නම ශෞර්යා ස්ටිපියුලාරිස්. ඉතින් අපිට ලංකාවට ආවේනික ශාකයක්. ඉතින් මේ වගේ තමයි ගොඩක්ම මේ සිංහරාජ වනාන්තරයේ තියෙන්නේ. මේ ශාක විශේෂ 54ක් තියෙනවා දුම් විශේෂ. ඉතින් ඒකෙන් දුම් කුලයට එන ශාකයක් තමයි. ඔඩනේ ගහේ වටාඩි 21ක් තියෙනවා. උසාඩි 140යි. දල වයස අවුරුදු 200ක් 250ක් වගේ වයසක් කියන්නේ. ඉතින් මේ ශාකය අපිට වැදගත් වෙන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ ගහ පොඩ්ඩක් තුවාල වුණාම කිරි ඇවිල්ලා ඝන වෙලා දුම්මල හැදෙනවා. ඒ දුම්මල එන නිසා තමයි අපිට වැදගත් වෙන්නේ. ඊළඟට පැරණි මිනිස්සු මේ ගහේ පොතු නවද පොතු කියලා අරගෙන ඔය තෙලිග වලට දාන්න අරගන්නවා. ඒක තමයි වැදගත්කම.
The scientific name of this tree is Shorea stipularis. This tree is over 200 years old and it has girth of about 21 feet and a height of 140 feet. When you look at it this way, you can also imagine the size of the tree. Therefore, we can consider it as a wonderful gift of nature. That's the end of our journey. I hope you all enjoyed this experience as much as I did. It was truly an amazing place with so much beauty and value to explore. You can also come and visit Singharaja and experience many of the amazing gifts of nature. Thank you so much for watching this video.